Have you ever tried signing up for ChatGPT or OpenAI, only to get stuck at the phone number verification screen? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT without a phone number, safely, legally, and step by step. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Many people don't want to use their personal phone number online, especially for AI tools. Maybe you're protecting your privacy, maybe you don't have access to a mobile number, or maybe you're helping someone who's new to digital tools. Good news, there are safe and legitimate ways to access ChatGPT without using your personal number. Here are the free methods we'll cover today. 1. Using Microsoft Copilot, no number required. 2. Using a trusted email-only login method. 3. Using a landline or VoIP alternative that OpenAI accepts. Method 1. Using Microsoft Copilot. First, and the easiest, is Microsoft Copilot. It uses OpenAI models, works almost exactly like ChatGPT, and doesn't require a phone number. 1. Go to copilot.microsoft.com. 2. Click Sign In. 3. Use your Microsoft, Google, or Apple account. 4. Start chatting instantly. This is perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who wants ChatGPT style AI without the verification hassle. Method 2. Using email-only login platforms. Some platforms use OpenAI's technology but don't require phone verification. These include educational tools, writing assistants, and community learning platforms. These tools give you ChatGPT-like experiences with just an email address. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Method 3. Use a landline or a VoIP alternative. OpenAI blocks many VoIP numbers, but some landlines and digital phone services do work. A VoIP alternative is simply a phone service that works over the internet instead of using a traditional mobile SIM card. Instead of relying on the mobile network, it uses your Wi-Fi or your broadband connection to make and receive calls. This can include services like digital landlines, internet-based phone numbers, or online calling platforms that provide a real phone number for verification purposes. For people who don't want to use their personal mobile numbers, VoIP Alternative offers a practical, private-friendly option that still allows them to receive verification codes or voice calls when signing up for services like ChatGPT. This is especially helpful for older adults or community members who don't use mobile phones. Section 4. 10 unique tips no one else tells you. Here are 10 insider tips that most people never hear about. Number 1. Use a secondary email account to keep AI tools separate from personal accounts. 2. Clear your browser cookies before signing up. It reduces verification triggers. 3. Use a VPN set to your real country. Mismatched locations often cause verification requests. 4. Try signing up during off-peak hours. Fewer verification checks happen late at night. 5. Use desktop instead of mobile. Mobile sign-ups trigger more security checks. 6. Avoid using school or Wi-Fi. Shared networks often trigger verification. 7. Use a password manager to auto-generate strong credentials that reduce security flags. 8. Try a different browser. Chrome, Edge, and Firefox behave differently with verification. 9. Disable browser extensions during sign-up. Some cause OpenAI to request extra verification. 10. Use Copilot for long-term access. It rarely asks for verification. Before we finish, let's quickly recap what we covered today. You learned 3 safe and practical ways to use ChatGPT without a phone number. from using Microsoft Copilot to explore email-only platforms, to trying landline or VoIP alternatives. We also share 10 lesser-known insider tips to make your AI experience smoother, faster, and more secure. If these steps helped you feel more confident navigating digital tools, we'd love to hear your story. Tell us in the comments how you've been learning new tech skills and how our programs at One Connect have supported your journey. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If you want to keep learning beyond this video, don't forget that we also offer a range of online courses and easy-to-follow ebooks. Whether you want to improve your digital safety, learn essential computer skills, or explore new apps and tools, our resources are designed to help you grow step by step. And if you'd like to keep building your confidence in technology, you can also enroll in our Wednesday digital skills classes. We're open to everyone and a great way to learn at your own pace. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.